Okay, so let's talk about WhatsApp. Can you download or how to download WhatsApp on your Apple Watch? So I'm going to explain to you this situation that we are in terms of WhatsApp. When you open up the App Store on your iPhone and look up the app right here, you're going to be able to get inside, and in here you have all of the compatible versions or platforms. So it is available on the iPhone and on the Mac. So there is no native support for the Apple Watch, right? So there isn't WhatsApp application specifically made for this device. However, there are still some things which you can do. In order to at least have some sort of functionality when it comes to WhatsApp on your Apple Watch, you want to open up the Watch app on your iPhone. And in here, you can go to the notification section. And at the bottom, you have a couple of different things. So you have mirror iPhone alerts from selected apps. And you want to make sure that WhatsApp is enabled. So at least something is going to pop up on your Apple Watch, right? This doesn't install the app or doesn't make the app appear, but at least you're going to get all of the alerts on your watch. You're going to get all of the text. You can also see images, but I'm pretty sure that it's only a preview and you won't be able to see them in full detail, but at least something. And in some situations, you might also have the ability to reply to messages when you receive them on your watch. So this is something that you might want to turn on. Besides that, there are also some third-party options, which I don't really think that it's a good idea to mess with, right? So I don't really have good experiences with this, but there is an app like this, for example, which is like a WhatsApp on the Apple Watch alternative, where it kind of links your device to WhatsApp, but usually these apps are require in-app purchases, meaning that you'll likely need to pay a subscription, and it's not guaranteed to work. I've tried a bunch of them in the past. I'm not sure how well or how effective they are right now, but they are just a third-party alternatives which kind of have access to your WhatsApp and let you view it on the watch. So be cautious with these, but keep in mind that this is an option as well. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more content in the future. I'm gonna see you in the next video.